Hello and welcome to BlockOne Productions. Today we will talk about Cable Color Key by Inklen. This module lets you replace the stock colors in VCV Rack for custom ones. All you need to do is right-click the color you want to change and use the palette or the hex color code for your favorite color. And now you can select them traditionally by right-clicking, by selecting them on this module, or by their key mapping. You can add or delete cables using the right-click menu. In the settings, you can select latch mode, so the current selected color doesn't change. You can use the ordinal indicator to toggle latch mode. You can also change the UI so the selected color is indicated as well as the key mappings. The port hover mode is really interesting. If you hover your cursor over any input or output, and press a key, you can change the color of all the connected cables. Did you like this mini tutorial? Like, subscribe and share for more.